Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So it looks like CRVS had a nice breakout today from yesterday's after hours spike, continued on up going to today, and had that continuation going to extended hours. I'm going to show you guys exactly what has to happen for CRVS to continue, and exactly which indicators I would be looking for to have that confirmation, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over CRVS with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one broke out today, and then we'll give us that confirmation on that momentum going to extended hours to get that confirmation on that move and exactly what might happen next on the 4-hour chart on the largest time frame so you guys can see which major resistances we want to make sure we do hold above going to next week. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned CRVS yesterday on unusual volume at about $3.20, jumping all the way up to over $6 going to extended hours, looking to see if we can continue here. We mentioned HLBZ's pre-market news that they had with their partnership with Fox, jumping all the way up from $10, jumping all the way up to over $25 on the day, up over 150% on that breakout. And the largest breakout that we had of the week was on Wednesday with INDP from pre-market news, all the way up from $8.50, jumping over $28.50 on the day, up over 200% on that breakout. So if you guys want to see all of our breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, we did have that major spike and continuation from yesterday's spike, and then we were looking to see if we can continue. We had the 200-moving average above the 50, showing us that we could continue here on the 5-minute chart. And as you guys can see here on the MACD, we also did have the EMA lines above the MACD, showing us that we could continue as well. So as you guys can see here, as far as the momentum that we did have throughout the day and what exactly gave us that confirmation on that last move over that $5 mark is what I'm going to go over with you guys here. Again, this is very important, and I want to make sure we do all learn this because this is extremely key to get confirmations on moves here. As you guys can see, we had that major spike today. We had that decrease in buy pressure with the white shaded lines coming in, and then we had that increase in sell pressure. We had that decrease in sell pressure, and then we had a little bit of buy pressure. Again, not much buy pressure coming in, but then we got that decrease in buy pressure. We got some sell pressure, but again, not dropping below our previous sell pressure point. We got a decrease in sell pressure throughout the day, looking to see if we can get some buy pressure to break above our previous buy pressure point. And sure enough, we did. And we got that confirmation, not only above this buy pressure point, but also above that $5 psychological resistance that we were looking for here, which gave us that nice move from $5 to $5.72 at that point in time. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what happened going to extended hours so you guys can see exactly what might happen going to next week. As you guys can see, we had that major spike and we did get that decrease in buy pressure, but towards the end of the day, going to extended hours, we had that major spike, looking to see if we can continue with this momentum. Again, if we can continue with this momentum, in my opinion, we are going to be looking to see if we can break above our previous spike that we did have today to have a major continuation. Again, with no news, in my opinion, we do need to make sure we can break above this previous buy pressure point. Again, with the buy pressure that we do have at this point in time, we are trying to break above this buy pressure point that we did have from that $5 mark on that spike. And as you guys can see, we are getting some buy pressure, but again, getting a little overextended in my opinion at this point in time, jumping up to around $6.90 going to extended hours, looking to see if we can pass that $7 mark. I'm going to back up here to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking at for overall. So as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we had that major spike, but we are looking to see if we can break above our previous rejection point at $7.24. And then we have one more rejection point that we had previously here at $8, looking to see if we can break over $7.24 and then break over $8 in my opinion. And as you guys can see, $8 has not only been a rejection at this point in time, we also did have our continuation sell-off exactly at this point. And as you guys can see, we got that rejection at this point because of that rejection and continuation sell-off previously in this chart. Consolidating since then, looking to see if we can get a major spike like we have been previously. Now, again, we do like this major spike that we had recently, but we are looking to see if we can break over $8 ultimately on that continuation sell-off. We also did have a bounce previously in this stock at that point in time, and also you guys can see we had multiple bounces within the stock at that point in time, looking to see if we can break over $8 with volume, in my opinion. And to get that confirmation on that volume, I'm going to go back to the 5-minute chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for. As far as a continuation goes, having that continuation on that buy pressure is exactly what we're looking for, not only to break above this buy pressure point, but also to break above our buy pressure point that we did have yesterday in extended hours at about $3.20. So again, if you guys want to see all of these penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.